Today I'm going to show you my chard brunch recipe. Chard is a type of leafy green. It's not as soft as spinach, but it's not as hard as kale. In order to prepare it, you're just going to wash it and separate the stems from the leaves. The stems take a little bit longer to cook, so you're going to take those, chop them up into bite-sized pieces, and season them to your liking. My little secret ingredient is black garlic, which is basically fermented garlic. It pairs really well with chard. So you're going to cook those stems about 6 to 8 minutes and then cook the leaves. One of my go-to breakfast meals is egg on a croissant with fruit, and I recently started incorporating chard into this meal because it really helps to optimize gut health, digestion, and it's an easy way to just incorporate some greens into your diet. I hope you enjoyed this easy and simple recipe. Follow Style Prose for more.